Hello, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Edward Miller. I'm currently enrolled in the web track of the Computer Graphics Technology program here at Schoolcraft College. I'm working toward my associate's degree in graphic design. I have a background in computer graphics, and I began in my junior year of high school creating rough sketches which I then digitized on the computer using 3D Studio 4 software. I attended the Art Institute of Phoenix after moving to Arizona and graduating high school, where I completed courses in the Computer Animation degree program. At the Art Institute, I learned to hone my graphite drawing skills and soon created a traditional fine art portfolio consisting of landscapes and perspective drawings, as can be seen here. The purposes of these renderings were twofold: to create the illusion of depth and realism by providing photorealistic tonal values and proportions, and to reproduce famous works of art in the graphite medium. As you can see, this is my rendition of a famous work by Marcel Duchamp entitled Chocolate Grinder, and this is my rendition of a famous work, an untitled work by Richard Estes. In 2002, I returned to Michigan to seek employment as a graphic artist. I found work in the building services industry and decided to change majors to account for the increasing demand for website designers. I trained formally in the Adobe products here at Schoolcraft College and used this knowledge in combination with Craig Powers' continuing education courses and the InDesign class offered at Schoolcraft College in the Computer Graphics Technology program to create this 4-page newsletter on my hobby of collecting and writing about synthesizers. And as you can see, this is a 4-page newsletter complete with a table of contents, a 2-column gear review page, glossary of terms used in the industry, and a product sample page showing off some of the new instruments and their features. I then created a website based off of this newsletter called Synthdesign, which was my first web design. The website would serve the electronic musician community as an instrument buyer's guide and a preview site for upcoming products reaching the consumer market in 2010. It featured my own photography of musical gear and columns of information related to the synthesizers I use in my project, such as the Ensoniq ESQ1 and the Yamaha TG33. I began developing websites after creating this first design and completed Chris Inman's web development courses, where I was able to create a full-fledged portfolio website featuring a cohesive compilation of all of my design work over the course of the training in its entirety. The purpose of this website was to incorporate relatively new technologies like jQuery and advanced cascading style sheets into my own design layout built from the hypertext markup language HTML5. In conclusion, one recurring theme seems to be present throughout the body of my graphic design work. Each of my designs provide a visual solution to a design problem. One additional bit of information you may be interested in is that I have also recently recorded an album of electronic music using the synthesizers that I own. It's entitled Elevators and Forests. Thank you.